Today, we are making the most juicy, delicious deep fried turkey. Let's do it. I have my turkey nice and clean. We are using an 11-pound turkey. Make sure it's nice and clean and not cold, kind of like room temperature, okay? Pat it dry, remove any moisture. You don't want any water on this turkey. Once you are done, very simple. I have Tony chaheres, so I chopped it up very finely, very important because you don't want it to be stuck on the syringe. So I'm going to add that to this butter. Give it a nice little mix. I like it herby. That's why I add that in. Now we're going to inject this butter into the turkey. I'm starting with the breast first. This injectable butter is very, very delicious. You don't really have to do much. I've used it several times on almost all my turkeys. I love the flavor. Ooh, I love it. So just keep injecting the leg, the thigh, the breast, the wings, all over. And it's best to use a medium-sized turkey. Don't go too crazy with the turkey when you're making this. I have my oil preheating on 350 outside. As you can see, I'm getting every little part of that turkey. Now I'm going to pat it dry, remove any excess of that butter. Then we are going to season. Although the season will be fried up, but I still want that crispy crust with the seasoning on it. So now we're going to add our seasoning. So in here I have a little bit of everything. I'm going in with the inside as well, a little bit. And now I'm going on the outside of that turkey. Just sprinkle it all over. Oh yes. Now this is another fun way to eat turkey. It's gonna come out so juicy, so tasty, so flavorful. Now we're going to take the turkey outside so we can deep fry it. Let's go. All right guys, we're currently outside. I have my deep fryer on 350. This is an indoor deep fryer, but I don't want the inside of my house to smell like grease, so that's why we're outside. I am going to add my turkey right in. Now you're going to carefully add that in. All right guys, my turkey currently frying outside. I'm going to fry it for about 45 minutes, about 3 minutes per pound. My turkey is 11 pounds. So after about 30 minutes, I'm gonna go outside and check it with my thermometer. You guys, the turkey's ready and it's time to take it out of the fryer. Let's do it. Ooh, looks so good. Our turkey is finally done. So I deep fried this for about 45 minutes and it's been resting for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's time to cut this turkey, okay? Let's do it. Oh, this is saucy. It is indeed saucy. Juicy, tender, soft, delicious. Wow. And this is the breast too. Absolutely juicy. Oh my goodness. If you want dry turkey, do not come here. Because this is a juicy turkey. Flavorful too. Love it. Now this is my favorite part, okay? This is really, really good. Wow. Extremely, extremely tender. and flavorful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe as much as I did. If you try this recipe, please come back and let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.